Guys, look. There's two now. Just see me. I just literally ran into the house. Now my mom comes here. No. No, don't honk. Are you crazy? Yeah, car's over here. It ain't doing something right. They know to drive still when they see these kind of things. Yeah, now there's two up there. I'm not sure if you can see them. One's on that end part right there. Right there. Then another one's on the very top of the roof. Wait, what? I think they're both trying to get a dead squirrel here somewhere. Everyone's over here staring at the house like, what the heck? Yeah, guys, this is amazing. Now, here's the only problem. My mom's coming, and if it swoops down when she comes over here, I know she's absolutely going to floor it and just leave. I know my mom like that. She's just going to floor it and leave. Just like I did. Oh, yeah, I was in the car. I was using my feet. Basically, anyone who comes down, what street am I on? It's the street after this. Oh, and careful. Aw, can't see it. What the heck? Either way, guys, I'm about to try to see what street I'm also on. Oh my god. Trying to see. Really? Yeah, guys, I think I'm on Richmond. I think they're on Richmond Road. Gotta keep traveling up here for a second. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to run. Yeah, they're on the Richmond house. They're sitting right down at this guy's yard. This is not funny. Walking back down the hill, my dad, I'm on the other side. Try to see what street I'm on. Oh, I hear the police. Hold up. Sorry, guys. This is absolutely madness. You got people over here trying to figure out what this are. Either way, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.